Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Waltham Forest Council Tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in walthamforest.gov.uk/council-tax. Then press enter and you will be taken into the council tax account for Waltham Forest right away. Now you can click on the login button at the top right corner and you can also click on login/register your online account underneath. You will now be taken into the sign-in portal right away. Now within the username section, type in your username that you have set up while creating your account, and you can also use your email address. Within the password box, type in your account password that you have set. Finally, click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Waltham Forest County Tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log in to your Waltham Forest Council Tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.